Morning, we're tracking the coronavirus cases in the Kansas City area. More than 1,000 new cases were reported in Kansas City, Missouri alone since last week. Well, there have also been 12 new deaths since last week. Well, here's a look at the totals across our 9-county areas since the pandemic began. The highest numbers remain in Kansas City, Missouri and Johnson County. And Clinton High School is going to move to all virtual learning starting today and will continue through next Friday, November 20th. Yesterday, the district reported 31 total active COVID-19 cases across several schools. The superintendent wrote in a letter, in part, "It is becoming increasingly more difficult to maintain in-seat instruction at our schools and especially at the high school." Well, the Liberty School District could also go all virtual if coronavirus cases keep rising. The district superintendent sent a letter to families saying the district's closely monitoring the situation and families need to be prepared in the event they would need to transition in the coming days or weeks. Well, right now, pre-K through 5th graders are at all school learning in person with the option of virtual learning. 6th to 12th graders are on a hybrid schedule, splitting their time between school and home. Well, today we could learn more about a potential coronavirus vaccine for Missourians. We also expect to hear more about what that could mean for students across Missouri from Governor Mike Parson. KBC's Martin Augustine is live in Kansas City with more details. Martin, good morning.
Good morning, Rob. We're expecting to get some hints from Governor Parson during a briefing that's supposed to start in about an hour about the availability of a COVID-19 vaccine here in Kansas City and across the state of Missouri. We think that way because among the people standing up with Governor Parson this morning is an executive with the pharmaceutical company Pfizer. And Pfizer is already beginning to manufacture a COVID-19 vaccine at its campus in Chesterfield, Missouri. That's in suburban St. Louis. Early reports on that vaccine show it may be as much as 90% effective against the virus. Now, also joining the governor today, Missouri State Health Director, who said earlier this week the Department of Health and Senior Services already working on a plan to roll out the vaccine statewide, but the initial phase of that rollout will likely be limited to healthcare workers and people living in long-term care facilities. Also in on the briefing, a commissioner with the Missouri Department of Elementary and Secondary Education, as well as a pediatric infectious disease physician, suggesting we'll get some insight on a COVID-19 virus and its impact on young people across the state. As we mentioned, this briefing is starting at 9 o'clock, and if you want to watch it, we're going to be showing it live on our KMBC 9 News Facebook page. Reporting live, Martin Augustine, KMBC 9 News.
Thanks so much, Martin. Well, the biggest hospitals in the Kansas City area are reporting record numbers of COVID patients this past week. The St. Luke's system was at 149 patients Wednesday. University of Kansas Health System has 78 patients. Truman's at 40. Hospitals across Kansas City have several staff members either diagnosed with COVID or in quarantine. Well, some say they don't have the staff to support all their beds.
We're really worried about our staffing levels and being able to take care of people.
Well, hospital officials say if the need continues to grow, they're going to have to cancel essential surgeries like open heart or cancer surgery. Well, they also urge people to get a flu shot to keep them out of the hospital. Well, starting this week, healthcare workers will be bringing a COVID-19 vaccine trial right to underserved and high-risk groups. It's all part of a collaboration between the University of Kansas Health System, Children's Mercy Hospital, and AstraZeneca, the company working on the vaccine. A special mobile unit's going to make stops at Truman Medical Centers, the Health Partnership in Olathe, and sites in the Wichita area. We are watching closely developments in the pandemic surge, both here at home and across the country. Be sure to download our KMBC 9 News mobile app to get all the latest updates on cases, the impacts on schools and businesses, and the race for a vaccine.